Alright people, how's it going? It's DarkCloud247. Just want to show you a little something that I've made. In the past I've had a lot of people turn around and say to me that you can't really do much on these machines, or it won't produce anything that's any good, like of any quality. Well, I sort of beg to differ as such. Just recently made a dog lead holder, or dog leash holder, depending on where you're from. But yeah, solid oak. What I'll do is I'll buy old furniture. Say someone's selling an oak table really cheap because it's got a massive scratch on it, or the leg's broken or something like that. That's how I get my materials, because you can get a lot better materials doing that at a hell of a lot cheaper cost. And obviously you can make stuff of better quality that will sell for more. I mean, with this, what do you do with this? I think for the lettering, I just used a 60 degree 22mm V-carve bit to do all my lettering. For the I don't know what you call this. Well, for the groove that I've put in, I used a 6mm ball nose. I think it went down 5mm. And then for the outside, I just used a 6mm end mill. And once that was all done and it was cut out, I got the router out and I just gave the edge just a gentle bevel. Nothing too much, otherwise it just wouldn't look right. Just to take the edge off. So yeah, you can make decent stuff on here. It just takes a little bit of time, like getting it all set up properly. I can't say that I've not had no problems with the CNC, because I've had a few. Hence why I started my YouTube channel. But yeah, what I've done with this, put a couple of hooks in the bottom. But before I've done that, I spray painted the whole thing black. And then once I got a good coat on there, I just sanded the front so that it brought the wood back through. That's basically it. I just wanted people to know that I'm still alive and COVID hasn't killed me off. But yeah, before I forget as well, I put felt on the back. It just looks nicer, so on and so forth. I just got to put a couple of little hooks so they can be hung on the wall. But the reason I put felt on the back is because, say you've bought your table or chair or whatever that you've cut up, you get like little holes. Now it's better to or easier just to cover the back in felt. Nobody will ever see it, sort of thing. It saves you filling it and not being able to use that section of wood and so on and so forth. Just a little tip. Well, like I always say, this helps someone somewhere or gives them a little bit of inspiration. It's all good. And by the way, make your own designs please, don't be stealing mine. Anyway peeps, take it easy, hope everyone's well.